Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving from Manor Park to Half Way Tree. We are on Constant Spring Road heading towards Half Way Tree. At this intersection, if we turn left, we go on to Shortwood Road. If we turn right, we go on to Central Avenue. And we are on Constant Spring Road. Now, Constant Spring Road is one of the busiest roads in Jamaica, and it leads to Half Way Tree, and Half Way Tree is the busiest place in Jamaica. It's estimated that 250,000 people a day pass through Half Way Tree. So the four main roads that lead to Half Way Tree are going to be very busy, and some of the busiest roads in Jamaica. So Constant Spring is one. Constant Spring takes you from the Manor Park area to Half Way Tree. So this is the road we're on. It was recently renovated. You can see it has the white lines, it has a concrete barricade, it has the lights, it has good signage, the stoplights. So it's a very nice road, and this is the model for which the main roads in Jamaica should look like. They have the cameras at the intersection. The government did an excellent job in fixing this road, upgrading this road, I should say. Now, most of the roads, there are four main roads that intersect at Half Way Tree clock: Constant Spring Road, Hope Road, Half Way Tree Road, and Half Park Road. Now, the government has renovated the road we're on, Constant Spring Road, very nicely done, and they also renovated Half Park Road, very nicely done. It looks just like this, dual carriageway, concrete barricades. And Hope Road is dual carriageway, 4 lanes, and Half Way Tree Road is 3 or 4 lanes. So all the roads that lead into and out of Half Way Tree are very nice roads, all modern looking roads to help with the flow of traffic. So we have to give credit to the government. They've done an excellent job in the road network leading into and out of Half Way Tree. And then from Half Way Tree you can go down to the wharf, you can go to practically anywhere in Jamaica. All the major transportation hubs lead to Half Way Tree. So you can go from Ligani, you can go from Crossroads, you can go from downtown. All the routes lead to Half Way Tree. Alright, so on the left is King's Plaza. Now this side of Constant Spring Road has a lot of malls, and you have such a large population of people, or a large number of people in Half Way Tree every day, that you find a lot of plazas, and the plazas do very well. And because of that, you find that the land in Half Way Tree is very expensive. 1 acre of land is 1.5 million US, and that's about 250 million Jamaican for 1 acre. And that is prime real estate. Prime real estate. So as you would expect, you're not going to find, it's mostly plazas as you go into Half Way Tree. Now on the outskirts of Half Way Tree you have a lot of residential areas, also prime real estate. So on the left is 7th Avenue Plaza, followed by Lane Plaza, followed by the Village Plaza, followed by the Mall Plaza, followed by Tropical Plaza, followed by Premier Plaza. On the right is Twin Gates, and as you hear these names, I'm sure you've heard them before. These are some of the most popular plazas in Jamaica. Today is a Sunday, so the place isn't that busy. Then on the right now we're passing the Springs, then Central Plaza. Straight ahead is the Pavilion Plaza. So as we enter Half Way Tree, the road turns into 4 lanes. And at some points in Half Way Tree, because of the turning lanes, you have up to 6 lanes. So on the right now, that white building where you see the arch, that's the Halfway Tree Transport Center. That's probably, it's a bus park. The government buses use it, the JUTC buses. So all around this facility now, you have the regular buses and taxis, and there are probably about 3 other bus parks or in Halfway Tree, but this is the main one, the Halfway Tree Transport Center. Very nice facility. Okay, on the left is a bus stop where you see those taxis parked up. So this is the Halfway Tree area now. This is the intersection by the clock where the 4 main roads meet. We are on Constant Spring Road. Go straight across, that's Halfway Tree Road. The road on the right, on the left is Hope Road, and the road on the right is Hagley Park Road. We're going to turn right and go on to Hagley Park Road. Alright, so this is now Hagley Park Road. On the left is the York Plaza where you have the York Pharmacy. And up here now on the left is a bus park where you see the taxis parked up. Okay, this intersection now is, on the left is Maxfield Avenue, and then if you were to turn right, that would be Eastwood Park Road. This is the road we're on now is Hagley Park Road, and if we go across the light, that's also Hagley Park Road. And then on the right is the St. Andrew Parish Church. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.